Here are a few examples of wire cutters, strippers, that are used in this lab along with a roll of 22 gauge solid wire. Most wire strippers have notations showing what setting is used for which gauge of wire, and then handy cutters in the very back. So what I would do is I would take some of my wire, snap it. Since the label says 22 gauge, I'll look for the number 22 stripper, put the wire in there, clamp it down, pull it, and there. I can repeat that on the other side, adjusting for how much wire I want exposed.